Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. I can draw. Read aloud for you by Little Angel Reader.
I can draw. I can draw.
I can draw a tree. I can draw a bird. I can draw a cat. I can draw a flower. I can draw the sun. I can draw a house. I can draw my sister. Can you draw your sister? I can draw my brother. Can you draw your brother? I can draw leaves. Can you draw leaves? I can draw anything. Thank you, Masha, for your pictures. Max, what can you draw?
I can draw a monster.
Tree, tree, tree. I can draw a tree like this or like that. Can you draw a tree? The children are looking at the birds in the tree.
The children are looking at the birds in the tree.
Bird, bird, bird. I can draw a bird like this or like that. Can you draw a bird? Cat, cat, cat. I can draw a cat like this, meow, or like that, meow. Can you draw a cat? Flower, flower, flower. I can draw a flower like this or like that. Can you draw a flower? The black cat and the girl are looking at the flower. Big flower.
They are looking at the big flower.
My sister, my sister. My sister and my black cat are looking at the flower. Small flower.
They are looking at the small flower.
I can draw my sister with a balloon. Sun, sun, sun. I can draw the sun like this, or like this, or even like this. House, house, house. I can draw a house like this or like that. My brother, my brother. I can draw my brother on a balloon. I can draw my sister and my brother with balloons. Or I can draw my brother and sister holding hands. Leaves, leaf, leaf. I can draw leaves like this or like that. Anything, anything, anything. I can draw anything.
I can draw anything.
What can you draw?
What can you draw?
Do you like to draw?
Do you like to draw?
Thank you for reading with us today. Have you read any of my books? Which one is your favorite? If you like my stories and the way I read them aloud on my channel, You can support me by buying my books on Amazon. You can also thank me here. PayPal littleangelreader@gmail.com. Thank you for all your help and for reading with us today. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.
Little angel reader.
Little angel reader.